welcome back to Riri's World. I'm tired. Welcome to a Sunday reset. Yeah. Okay, there's gonna be no nice, gentle music. I'm gonna be talking 90% of the time. I want this coat to be washed. I'm not gonna lie. And because I want it to be washed, I'm gonna make sure that it gets washed. So we're gonna put on a hoodie. Something I didn't want to do because I feel like that's not really feminine. So I got this. But she's dirty. And I'm tired of her looking dirty. This is something we do when we just want to take the hat off. But we have no place to put the hat. So, and this is only good with 90% of my jeans because some pairs don't even have loops. And you know what's crazy? I already got to pack my bag for tomorrow because I have to go to work tomorrow. Now, I said after, I move on and get another job, I will tell you some things about the job. And I'm going to tell you right now. When labor is high, pack your stuff and get ready to go. Okay? This is I would say my third day of experiencing high labor where I had to leave. Yeah. It only happens when you're already going to get off early. And they see that, okay, 30 minutes early won't hurt. An hour early won't hurt. That's how they see it. Don't know why. Also, I wear this necklace to church. And that purple bag is my church clothes, which is something I think I'll tackle. Don't ask me. I don't know. I don't know. I really, really don't know. I feel like putting on this hoodie and just getting the lint roller. Sounds right? Sounds right. And then I gotta wear the same shirt again because, I didn't use my other shirt for its good long lengthy time. And now I'm using this shirt. Tomorrow will be my second day in this shirt. So, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. And then after a while, wash clothes. Okay? So, I just got some stuff out of whack that needs to get put up. And it's not much. It's really not much. But this sock got to go back in my drawer. It's just sitting out. I want to say my socks. Let me turn so y'all can see. Okay, yeah. So my socks, they depend on the type of pants I'm going to wear at work. I don't ever know that till I pick it out. So it's like I have to do stuff in reverse. And I hate that. So then I've been using these. I think I'm going to wear these. But no, it's a certain pair of socks that feel excruciatingly tight. Not these. These don't. I think it's a pair of these. But there's a pair that just feel excruciating and painful and all that. So I'm going to pack my bag. What you're about to see fall out is church clothes. Okay. Because I like to tackle one thing at a time. So yeah, all that bling bling and jewelry. We're just going to wear these socks tomorrow already, so I won't have to necessarily pack them. I can't snatch my shirt off in front of you guys, but that would go in the bag, okay? My hoodie, I'm going to wear my hoodie to school. So, yeah. And for this week, because today's Sunday, it's about to be Monday in the morning. And yes, I have school. Yes, this is stressful. Yes, this is getting on my nerves. Okay, but I only work Monday and Saturday. I get my hair on Friday. So, like I said, I told y'all I was going to vlog that. Now, it was supposed to be a vlog for my cap and gown pics. But a certain someone that was supposed to schedule such, he didn't really do a good job with scheduling. I'm putting up a container that holds my nail, manicure, and pedicure stuff. It's this container right here. I'm putting it up. It was left out from this morning because I decided that, girl, you know the reason why your shoes hurt? Is it because your toenails are growing? Yeah, I didn't see that. This is a bag of stuff I need to give away. Once again, yeah, trash. We need to take that out. So, it's not much. Like, my room never been dirty, but it get messy. But dirty, it's like a crazy statement to say. So, new trash bag is in. Okay. to put this belt in here. Just this, because I'm not sure what I plan on wearing. My hanger for my shirt. I gotta hang my shirt back up. When I say I've been cold all day, I've been cold all day. This, I think I gotta put you in the bag though. What's making it heavy? I'm telling y'all, this coat is heavy duty, but it's annoying because it's just annoying, y'all, and y'all wouldn't understand. Like, you big and heavy for no reason. Spent how much on you? I knew when I tried it on, it was a no. But I needed a black coat. Like, I was not about to be shivering cold, shook it to the bone. Gloves. Because it's mad cold. It's like mad cold. 20 cent, put in my piggy bank. I don't know if you can. You know you can't see my piggy bank. You already know what it looks like. This is my piggy bank. That's where you insert, and yeah. Ooh, that fell back out. It's because there's $1 stuck in there that I will get to eventually. Shoes. Oh, we got a ring and a bracelet on the floor. We can't have that. So we're going to put this up. Okay, and then I'm going to hang all my stuff up. Put that over there. Hat. Put it on the bag. Sit this right here at the door. Like, it is really good to just go ahead and sit stuff where it needs to be. A penny. Put my shoes back up. And take the bags out. Put my trash can back. Then my floor is basically clean. Like, my room doesn't get dirty. It just gets a little messy, okay? Okay, so I basically did everything I said I was going to do. Now there's only like my pajamas that I got put on the floor. I'm putting those shoes on. That's my boy best friend cup. My cup is right there, but he left his cup at school, so he told me to take it home. And I'm supposed to dump the water out and replace it with cold, refreshed water for tomorrow, so he can have something to drink. But I'm gonna get to that in the morning. But that means I need to do mine at night. Do his in the morning and mine at night. Because I be waking up out my sleep. Be parched. So I need mine done. So we're going to do that. I'm going to get ready to take a shower. And unfortunately, I think that's really it. Because there's nothing I really have to do. Since, I don't know. Like I said, my room never been straight dirty. Wait. I got to get my AirPods out for school. Yeah. Right here. Okay. Had to get them out. I need to see my AirPods and Beats on my dresser in the morning or I'm going to forget. Yeah, that's it. Pretty much it. She's getting hung up. She's not getting touched anymore. I take that back. She'll get touched Friday when I go to get my hair done. Y'all, his water is still cold. Like, look at his Stanley, y'all. She's sick. But I need to put this on my dresser too so I won't forget. That thing heavy. And then my Elo. She's cold too. But she ain't full. His full. So I don't know. But I'm going to keep my word. I'm going to refill it. I'm going to refresh his water for him. So my stuff is ready to go. This is going in the bed with me. Also, I like to preheat my room. And I like to do my bed before I go to sleep. So let me just turn that for y'all. I know the chair be in y'all way. I'm going to have to refill this. But basically how I preheat the room. I go ahead and turn my heat on. And then preset the bed. I have hiccups, okay? So if you hear me go in and out, I have hiccups. Moody's over. That's literally it. And then, boom. Don't ask why my bedroom shoes were just on the bed. It was to get the stuff off the floor, but it has to go right back on the floor. And then, I kind of do like this. Because when I get in here, I'm going to wrap it up. So, just don't worry about that. You're not going to see that. I'm going to be ready for bed. But yeah, I get in here. Make sure I do it. Push it all the way over. I don't want none should be hanging off the bed. None. because I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna wrap my stuff in it. So come on, preheat, because I don't like to keep the heat running all night because I wake up. Also, when I wake up in the night to get some drinks, because your girl's sweaty, like she's sweaty. I hurt myself with my bracelet, y'all, and then I end up cutting myself at work. It's like a deep cut. However, it's not noticeable. Like my 3 little incidents aren't noticeable at all. Back to work though, as I get the rest of my PJs together. Even though, yeah, we just gonna say PJs. I accidentally used the wrong pin on my calendar, and it is blowing me. Like, it's really blowing me. Don't talk about how you can also just see the mattress and the box thing. Like, your girl, it's a comfortable bed. Like, when I tell you that mattress is soft, it's so squishy. Like, it's giving cottonelle. Let me stop. But I'm gonna just turn y'all this way so y'all can see the calendar. But y'all probably can't see. I used the wrong color, okay? But I do hearts. Like, some people do X over their calendar. Some people do check. Somebody just draw a line through. I do hearts. Yeah. But let me get the rest of my stuff out. I'm not sure what this shirt says. Oh, it's a Winston-Salem. Is it Winston-Salem or is it just Salem? Oh, it's Winston-Salem shirt. And no, none of my stuff match. Why would it? I'm going to bed. B-E-D. Even though I would love and really appreciate some cute night PJ sets, but I'm going to B-E-D. Bed. My dresser don't really look cute. My desk, it looks well used. I have not been using it. I've been laying in my bed working. And I just put the stuff. Don't come for me. Please don't come for me. Please don't come for me. I'm sorry. Sorry. Look at that. That looks messy. I just dropped the necklace. Let's actually do some good move. Okay, let's actually make her look cute. Y'all parents ever told you not to hold it like this? Not to just let it do his own thing? See, my mom always taught me tilt. But I be lazy, but tilt. Because the thing is already tilted as well. Boom. Strawberry cheesecake. 3-wick body collagen candle. Elite. Hold on. Wait. Because I do dumb stuff like that, that's probably why it's about to go out. First off, I always sit it like that, so I don't even know why that's like that. Like, there's really nothing wrong with my dresser or any other my stuff. Like, it's pretty much good. This goes here. This and this will get removed. This I took out, but I need to put it back up. Like, what? I was rummaging around in my drawer, but dresser's pretty much clean for the most part. Like, there's really nothing to it. This doesn't need to be out. I don't know why this out, so we can put it in the drawer. Cause those for my glasses. This, yeah, I'm gonna just start putting stuff up. Cause my thing is, there are items that I use almost every day. That's why they're out. And yes, I'm aware you cannot see my face. You be okay. You see most of me, but no, I'm not looking at it. So I'm gonna flip the camera around, and I'm gonna show you what we're working with. And I'm gonna go take my bath, and that's gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you would like to see more, let me know. Even though I kind of rushed this because I'm tired and I want to go to bed, but y'all need y'all content. And I have another video that I have in mind to do, so I'm gonna do it, and that one's to come out before I get my hair done, okay? So I think I'm gonna record that Tuesday night. Y'all gonna get this on Tuesday night, but just know I will be recording another video on Tuesday night. It's gonna be a nice treat, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, steppers, see ya.